Most people I've spoken to don't know what a mid order is, and yet they are probably the most common order type I use for targets. You gotta stick around and find out why. So mid orders, or market if touched orders, are easy to explain if you think of them as a pending order with one difference. And that difference is what happens when price reaches the level of that value of that pending or mid order. So let's compare. A pending order has to fill you at the price that you specify or better. Okay, a mid order doesn't. When price hits the level of the mid order, it turns into a market order, meaning that it can fill you on the next available price if it's better or worse. So why is this useful? You remember when the Swissy floor broke and the Euro Swissy went nuts, causing FXCM to take out a huge loan just to survive? Well, if all of a sudden your profits jumped 800 pips, you probably don't care if you got taken out at the 750 pip level for a profit or the 850 pip profit. You just want out. Well, this is why you would want to use a mid order. Not that we expect that to happen every day, but the point is quite simple. It's probably very useful for targets when you want to just be flat, okay? During times when we have gaps or bigger gaps like that Euro Swissy, you could have gotten out locking in a much bigger profit if price happens to gap, or if price just comes to a certain value and then it pulls back, you still want to get out. Because like I said, it doesn't matter if you're at 750 pips or 800, like you still want out. That's when it's going to really be useful. So use them as you see fit, but let me give you one big warning, okay? If you're doing this with NinjaTrader, there is some brokers out there that take your mid orders and hold them on their servers, which means that you can shut down your computer and that order is still there and it's still pending, and that's great. But then there are some brokers that don't support mid orders. So what NinjaTrader does is they support them, they kind of simulate them on their own platform. That means that if you shut down NT8, your orders are not there anymore. They don't get executed. Your broker doesn't know anything about them. And it's important for you to know if your broker supports mid orders or if they don't. Okay, so how do you know that your broker supports them, or if you need to keep your NT8 running in order for that order to execute? We got a table that has all the information there in a description, so check it out. The link is there, and you'll know exactly what to expect. As far as MetaTrader users go, you're just simply, I'm sorry, but you're out of luck. MT4 doesn't support mid orders, period. For those of you who know the deep levels of MT4 and the innards of how they work, you probably know why. So if you have just 2 seconds and you learned just a little bit, go ahead and whack that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll link 2 extremely useful free indicators that anyone can use that draws a price line across their screen, as well as a news indicator that puts news events directly onto your charts. So grab those, they're totally free and they're yours for the taking. We'll see you next time.